Video marketing has the potential to help a small business when you get it right. So let's take a look at some key components of a good video marketing strategy. Step 1, define your goals. Crafting a video marketing strategy, want to boost brand awareness, snag leads, skyrocket sales? Start by nailing down your objectives to track your video's impact. Step 2, choose your video type. What's your video flavor? Product demos, explainer clips, customer stories, or educational pieces? Pick what resonates with your audience and serves your goals. Step 3, identify your audience. Who's your crowd? Understanding their interests is key to creating videos that engage and captivate. Step 4, develop your messaging. Craft a message that's clear, compelling, speaks directly to your audience's needs, and make it stick with your brand's voice. Step 5, your production plan. This includes script writing, filming, editing, and more. A content calendar keeps you on track of what you need and when. Step 6, your distribution channels. Choose your video's home, social media, your website, email blasts, or platforms like YouTube. Each of them have the ability to amplify your reach. Step 7, and the final step here, analyze and optimize. Track views, engagement, conversions, and use this data to hone your video strategy for even better results next time. Whether you're looking to create a website, host your videos, or market your business, GoDaddy's got you covered. Visit GoDaddy.com today and click on the link in the description for the complete video and marketing guide with how-to steps.